Do you work a 9 to 5 job? If yes, there's a good chance that you sit for a long time, probably throughout the day. Now, working in an office is great, but sitting for hours without exercising your body can take a toll on your health. According to scientific research, people who sit in one spot for long hours are at higher risk of diabetes, cancer, obesity, and cardiovascular diseases. The good news is there are exercises you can try today, and that's exactly what we're about to explore. Sounds good? Let's get to it. 1. Knee to chest lift. With this exercise, you'll get to strengthen your abdominal muscles and give a significant boost to digestion. It also helps to burn fat. How to do it? While sitting in a chair, straighten your back and ensure that it's not touching the back of the chair. Be sure that your feet are on the floor hip-width apart, while still keeping your back straight. Lift your right knee all the way to your chest and try to keep your belly sucked in. Place your hands on your shin to properly stretch your lower abdominal muscles. Now, repeat the process 20 to 30 times by switching your knees. 2. Body lift above chair. This is one exercise that delivers excellent fat-burning results. It tones your belly, shoulder and back muscles at the same time. Using a chair with arms is the surest way to increase the intensity of the exercise. Just be sure that it's not a rolling one. How to do it? Sit on your chair and hold its arms firmly. While in that position, lift your body above the chair so your hips and legs can hang in the air. Now use your abdominal muscles to bring your knees to your chest area. Remain in this position for 15 to 20 seconds, then gradually return to the original position and rest for a while. Try to repeat the exercise up to 4 times. 3. Double knee lift. The double knee lift works your belly muscles gently and effectively all at the same time. How to do it? Start by keeping your legs together. Now hold the sides of the chair with both your hands. Be sure to keep your back straight. While in that position, lift your knees and pull them up to your chest. This should tighten your abdominal muscles. Now lower your feet but don't allow them to touch the floor. Try to repeat the exercise 10 to 20 times for great results. 4. Double knee lift plus body side bends. Now, you're going to do a double knee lift combined with body side bends. It tones your waist in ways you never thought possible. Moreover, oblique muscle workouts are great for burning fat from the sides of the belly. How to do it? Begin by sitting on the edge of the chair and keep your back straight. Be sure to hold the chair firmly with both hands. Now bend your body to the side while sitting on just one glute, just like the previous exercise. Lift both your knees to your chest. Now return to the original position, bend to the other side and lift. Be sure to repeat 10 to 20 times on each side. And that's it. These 6 exercises are foolproof and guaranteed to give you excellent results in a short time. It's even better if you combine them with a healthy diet plan. Good luck.